I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a niche that balances interest and money. This matters because focus attracts readers and advertisers. Once done, buy a short domain and set hosting. Opt for managed WordPress to save time. Install your CMS, pick a clean theme, and create 3 pillar topics. Then outline 5 posts per pillar so you can publish consistently. This jumpstarts traction. Make sure to track keywords and keep the setup lean so content becomes the priority immediately. You now move into steady content creation and on-page optimization because traffic comes from useful, discoverable posts. Write long-form articles around 200 words with the keyword in the title and H2s, and include 3 internal links to boost session time. Once done, compress images to 100-200 KB and add meta descriptions and simple schema for better click-through. Make sure to set an email capture with a small lead magnet and a repeatable publishing schedule so grow. You finish by turning attention into revenue. Add affiliate links in relevant posts, place one tasteful ad above the fold, and create a low-price digital product to sell. Monitor traffic, CTR, email sign-up rate, and RPM so you know what scales. Once you see patterns, run a /B tests on headlines and placement to increase earnings. If traffic stalls, audit your top pages, refresh content with updated data, and re-promote via paid ads or partnerships as a key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.